Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Audi S4 versus Kia Stinger, which is better. Start by choosing which priorities matter most to you and follow along as I break down handling, comfort, reliability, maintenance costs, and overall ownership value in clear terms so you can pick the right sports sedan for your lifestyle and budget. In this video, I will compare Audi S4 versus Kia Stinger, which is better. Focus on performance first by testing acceleration, steering feel, brake response, and transmission behavior to judge which car matches your driving style, whether you prefer precise cornering or strong highway pace, and how each model's chassis and powertrain decisions affect everyday commute comfort and weekend enthusiasm. In this video, I will compare Audi S4 versus Kia Stinger, which is better. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet after long test drives with darn tough socks that promise lifetime durability and comfy cushioning, perfect for drivers who log miles. If that sounds useful, subscribe and like, then check the description for the link and other deals. And now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Audi S4 versus Kia Stinger, which is better. Examine seating ergonomics, cargo space, infotainment ease, and climate control to evaluate daily usability. Considering passenger comfort, long trip fatigue, and how optional packages change convenience and ownership satisfaction, so you know which sedan better fits family, commuter, or enthusiast priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.